Ghost kitchen colors, learn and play, play.
Stir, stir the green, green brew.
Red candy goes in the red bowl.
Yellow bats flying on the wall.
Slow hands clean the sticky webs.
Orange pumpkins are everywhere. Yeah! Blue like the magic sky.
Yellow plus blue makes green.
White marshmallows floating in the cup.
Woof, woof, yummy purple snack. Catch the tine red light.
One, two, three, red apples for the pot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange carrots.
Open the gray paint can with a pop.
Stir the colors round and round.
Ghost Kitchen has all the colors.
Black shadows make a fun fright.
Brown baking sheet ready to go.
So many colors for our eyes to see.
Woof, woof, a little orange toy.
Ghost kitchen colors, learn and play, play.
Green face on the orange pumpkin.
Yellow banana monster face. Red hearts for the monster's eyes.
Red and green and orange food.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiny ghosts.
Woof, woof, found my blue toy.
Yellow yarn is fun to chase.
I wipe with the white cloth. Oh, a purple bean on my hat.
Learning and spooky fun together.
Rumble, rumble, gray stone rolling.
Red and yellow gloves, hooray! 10, 11, 12, counting to 20.
Red and white make pink brains. Whoa.
Where is the little black spider?
Woof, woof, I found the black toy.
Play with the green liquid.
and a tasty treat.
Ghost Kitchen is the best place.
Washing the green away, wash, wash. Ah.
Stack the orange pumpkins high.
Red with red, blue with blue. Clean up colors, make it neat.
Woof woof, found a yellow toy.
I will hide in the purple bag.
Let's make the room spooky. Lights off, dark, dark black. Whoa, turn them back on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, white.
Hoo hoo, the brown owl is there. Eating the rainbow makes us strong.
Blue and green colors are the best.
Rest your brains, they worked so hard.
Woof woof, time for a nap.
Meow.
Red feather is fun to bat.
We'll remember all the spooky colors we found. We know all the colors now.
We are smart color experts.
Story time in the cozy room.
Bye bye, Spooky Kitchen. Ghost Kitchen colors, we're done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mixing colors is like magic.
Purple bean on the orange pumpkin. Learning colors is super fun.
Chasing the scary black shadow.
Eat the colors to be strong and smart.
Good night, colorful kitchen.
Ghost Kitchen, good job, everyone.
Sweet dreams of colors and ghosts.
Dream of the red apples, dream of the green slime, dream of the red and the green.
Woof woof, found it.
Red, green, blue, good night.
Yummy pink brains.
Learning colors is a superpower.
Sleep tight, my color experts.
Ghost kitchen colors. Learn, learn, learn.
Thank you for learning with us.
1, 2, 3, 4 little lights.
Red and yellow make the orange glow.
White ghost in the dark black bowl. Mix the colors, create the fun.
Woo, woo. Bury the brown paper.
Catch the shiny gray toy.
Remember all the colors next year.
My smart children know all the colors.
We love learning. We love learning with you.
Good night, Spooky Kitchen.
Spooky fun and smart learning.
Learning is a superpower.
Thank you for learning with us. Keep finding colors and counting.
Happy Halloween and happy